Color the beginning sound of each picture. This is an apple, and the beginning sound of an apple is A. This is a butterfly, and the beginning sound of a butterfly is B. This is a carrot, and the beginning sound of a carrot is C. This is a dog, and the beginning sound of dog is D. This is an elephant, and the beginning sound of an elephant is E. This is a fish, and the beginning sound of fish is F. This is a mango, and the beginning sound of a mango is M. This is a hat, and the beginning sound of a hat is H. This is an ice cream, and the beginning sound of an ice cream is I. If you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.